Are you ready for the rich girl makeup look? Morphe has brought us a new collection that is said to do just that. So let's go ahead and dive right in and see what this new makeup 2026 is all about. This makeup is said to give you your richest life look. You guys, this is new from Morphe and it is a limited edition collection of metallics, and there is a bunch of new makeup here, so I'm super excited that we can go through it together today and test some of it out. Here it is. They did send me this PR package and I've already been going through it and it looks so beautiful. There are so many different options in here. There's cream shadows, there's lip glosses, metallic infused, and there is just so much. There's these little mini eyeshadow palettes. So let's go ahead and dive right in and test out some of this new makeup. So one of the first new makeup items in this collection that I could not wait to test out with you is these dual-ended cream and liquid shadow sticks. You're probably seeing cream shadow sticks all over, and yes, many of them are so good. They're so easy to use and you don't even need brushes most of the time. You could blend them out generally with your finger. So they're super easy to use, and Morphe has come out with their own eyeshadow sticks, but theirs are very unique in that one side is a cream shadow and one side is a liquid shadow. So let's test this out first. Now there are 3 different shades. I'll go ahead and insert some swatches, and so the one that I'm going to try today is called Stealthy Wealthy, sticking with the rich life theme. So let's go ahead and try the cream shadow stick first, and then we'll layer. So now, as you can see here, this is the cream shadow side, and on the other side is the liquid shadow side. So I have not tried these yet, so let's go ahead and test them out together. Let's try the liquid shadow on this eye here. Okay, so it does have a bunch of shimmer in it, and let's see what the cream shadow looks like. The cream shadow does not have as much shimmer. So what we'll do here is I'll take the cream shadow first, and I'm just running it along my lid space and up into the socket. And that is so gorgeous, you guys. I cannot believe it. It's such a beautiful shade. And then I'm just going to layer the liquid shadow on top because it does seem to have a bit more shimmer. So I see what this is doing. It's kind of giving you that wet look. It does have more shimmer to it, but it's pretty minimal, so it's not chunky. It actually is very luxurious looking. So this is so creamy. I really can't believe it. I thought it was going to be a bit more chunky, but it's actually very smooth on the lid. Does not emphasize texture or crepiness in your lids. I'm going to take the cream shadow side again, and I'm just going to run it along my lower lash area, and I'll just flick it out a bit. That is super gorgeous. It is very luxurious looking, so I can see now where they're going with the rich life theme. And the cream shadow doesn't have that much shimmer in it, so if you're like me and you have hooded eyes, you can definitely take it up into your crease space, and it's not emphasizing the texture. Because generally when you have hooding, if you put something with shimmer into the hooding, it will many times emphasize the texture. But this is so creamy, it's not emphasizing the texture. So I'm just gonna buff it out with my brush here, and wow, that is really beautiful. I'm pretty shocked again because I just was not expecting this to be kind of so soft in the effect, but it definitely is very soft and definitely does actually look very luxurious. And this is pretty amazing because you could definitely use this stick and be one and done. I feel like my eyes actually don't even need a lot more. You could pop this in your makeup bag and take it with you on the go, and you'll definitely feel ready to go, especially if you're traveling or if you're getting ready, you know, maybe going from work, you know, to maybe out for drinks or dinner after work or something like that, and you just kind of want to bump up your eyeshadow look. You'll definitely be able to do that with this stick. Get a really nice look for yourself with just this one product. I definitely am keeping this in my makeup bag, and I'm definitely going to be using this because I many times do get ready on the run. So love this. So also in this collection there are 3 eyeshadow palettes. Now I didn't realize how much of a look that shadow stick could give, so I'm not even sure how we can use the eyeshadow palette today because I feel like this look is pretty much done, and I just love the way it looks just from that one cream shadow stick. But let's go ahead and just play around and see, because this palette here seems like it is kind of in the same color family. So this one is called Champagne on Tap. But let's go ahead and just take this shimmery shade that's in the center, and let me go ahead and just see what we can do with that. And I'll just pop that in the tear duct. Yeah, the cream shadow and the liquid shadow duo was so impactful. I don't even see much of a difference with this because that one cream shadow stick did it all. I'm just gonna try and just use this shade here. This does have a bunch of shimmer in it, but let's see. I'll just use that to buff out. If you're like me and you have the shadow stick, then you can just use this shade here just to kind of take the look up a notch. So that's really nice just to deepen it up. And I'll just use the matte. This is kind of a bone shade, like a off-white. And let's just see. Yeah, that's really beautiful. Wow. So I'll just put some of that on the brow bone and in the tear duct and kind of transition it inwards. That is so beautiful. I really can't believe it. These are so much softer than I thought they were going to be, because when I initially heard metallics, I didn't expect them to be this soft in the effect, but they're metallics with a softness to them. So I'm so in shock and I am so in love with this, with everything that I've used so far. So I'm just going to take some liner here and I'm just going to make a small wing, and then I'm just going to apply mascara and a faux lash, and I'll be right back. So now onto the face products. There is this new Cheek Thrills face palette. So this palette is called Yacht Day and they're beautiful rich tones. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now Morphe has also come out with their new butter brush collection, and these are so good because they're so soft and they just make the products that you apply to your face come out so smooth looking. So I'm going to start with the cream blush here, and now I'm using this Morphe brush from the new collection, and this is the M242. And I really love how on the side of the Morphe brushes they tell you what each brush's use is for. So this one is for liquid and cream bronzers. So now let's see how this applies to my complexion though, because it does look pretty deep. So the cream shadow in here I'm going to use as a bronzer. So that's really beautiful. And then I'm going to take my Morphe blush brush, and this is the M202, and I'm just going to reach into this shade here. So I'm just going to put that higher up above where we placed the first shade. So I'm just spraying my face now with the new Morphe Life Proof Setting Spray. So this does help all the products to melt into your skin and to look much more effortless, and it also makes your makeup transfer proof and last longer, and it also gives a beautiful radiance and a luminosity to your skin. So this is something new from Morphe that I'm absolutely loving as well. So this palette makes such a beautiful effect. The colors are really different and unique, so it's going to give you something really special when you put it on. And now also in this new collection are these highlighter sticks. So there's a bunch of different shades. So the one that I'm going to use today is called Rosé Spritz. So now I do have the other palette on, so I'm not sure how much of an effect we can get with this, but let's go ahead and test it out. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I wasn't sure if how it was going to show up, but wow, that is so beautiful. It feels actually cooling on your skin and moisturizing. So I love that radiance and luminosity. It feels so good on the skin. It's not emphasizing texture. You can actually just pop it on and then press it in with your fingers. You don't even need a brush. I think it's better without the brush. So what do you beauties think? And for a quick lip, they do have these new metallic drip glass. Now the drip glass from Morphe is so good, so long lasting. So first I'm just going to put on my Morphe lip liner in Makeup Talk. And then I have my Morphe lip filter here. These are so creamy and so long lasting. They're lipsticks from Morphe. And then I'm just going to pop the drip glass on top. So this is the finished look. This makeup definitely gave the Rich Life vibes. There's some really great new makeup products here that I've never seen anything like before, like the dual cream shadow stick, this face palette. The colors are so unique and so different. I love the new shades of the drip glass, and so everything is pretty affordable too. Morphe is available at Ulta or online at morphe.com. So would you pick anything up from this new collection? Are you loving the Rich Life look? Let me know down below what you have picked up, what you're loving, or what you would pick up. And that's pretty much it. Thank you, beauty, so much for spending time with me today. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know any looks that you'd like to see next. So until next time, beauties, stay glowing.